Good day, everyone. I'm OlaMaye and welcome to my channel. Today we have another video of what TF did I order? Because I don't know what's in this box. I know it came from eBay, but I don't know what item it is. So let's see together. Where is this taped? If you all have seen any of my other videos, and want to see more, feel free to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you are made aware when I upload a new video. So, still don't know what it is yet. It does feel light. Move the box out of the way. And let's see, did they give an invoice? They did. Okay, so it does say it's Dooney and Bourke. So, I believe this may be a good addition to, let's see if this is going to align with Accessory August or not. Oh, it is. Oh, I didn't know it was so big. Okay, y'all, this is a cosmetic case, a pretty big cosmetic case. I don't know the exact name of this particular collection, but I have a wristlet / clutch in this particular color and print. Online, I believe it's called more like a floral or rose, whatever the background is. So there's like a pink version. I can show you my wristlet. The other two, actually, I have. Well, I have three. But the one that goes with this is I believe this is called the Carrington clutch. So it matches this, but I didn't know that this cosmetic bag was so big. It's like a whole nother purse. And then I have a yellow one also. I also have like a purple lavender colored one, pink purple one. But this is the cosmetic bag for it. And the inside looks pretty clean. I see a little bit of glitter. It does have the Dooney and Bourke label inside and the leather logo patch. It does have a zipper as well. Y'all, this don't even look like they really used it. And I think these came out maybe at least 5 to 10 years ago, at least I would say. But in all, this looks pretty new. So I am going to take my lint roller and some tape to get that glitter out. Spray it inside, wipe it on the outside as well. This outside is like a, I don't know if it will fall more in the acrylic family or just like a hard plastic. But that's how the outside is. Maybe kind of like the patent leather material. But of course it's not patent leather. And it just has this pretty rose floral print on it. And it comes in the yellow that you saw. It comes in the purplish color, pink purplish color. It comes in white and it comes in black. And all of them have the roses on the outside. But I am shocked at the size. That was a big surprise to me to see that. But that's a pretty set, y'all. I might have to get the actual satchel that goes, that's the same print as this, or Since these colors are so vibrant, I just figured I would just have the accessories and not get the satchel. It also comes in a tote as well. So I've seen a tote and the satchel in this particular color and print. So I may keep looking to see, or just continue with just having the accessories only. But I thought this was a good deal to get on eBay, and I'm glad that I did. It is a very, very large size. I don't even really want to call it a cosmetic bag because it's so big. So you can definitely use this to travel with, and or to organize inside of your purse. So the colors are green, red, and then it's pretty like a teal color. And then it does have some white and off-white in there as well. But that's it, y'all. This is my eBay unboxing on what TF did I order. And it was another good purchase. So I took a chance on eBay, Dooney and Bourke, and I am happy with it. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. This is another one for the books for accessory August. And I am looking forward to seeing accessory August videos from everyone who wants to share their favorite accessories. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. I will see you all in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. And as always, have a wonderful day.